we are looking at how to pronounce these words. We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary in words like this one many struggle with in English as well. So if you like learning more correct pronunciation, stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So let's see how you pronounce this word and break down the pronunciation. We'll have a look at a sentence as well using this word. Abandon. A-ban-den. You want to stress on that second syllable, the middle syllable, the ban syllable. Abandon is how you pronounce that. Let's hear an example of sentence using this word. As we broke down, we had to abandon the car on the side of the road. We had to abandon. Abandon is how you pronounce it. And now you know. Did you get this? Pretty sure you did by now. Like this video if you found it useful. Remember, abandon. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.